Greetings, gamers. You are aware that improving your graphics card and CPU alone won't get you to the pinnacle of gaming. You need the appropriate DDR4 RAM if you want to take your gaming to the next level. RAM does indeed matter. That may mean the difference between latency spikes and buttery smooth performance. So don't worry, we've got you covered. So that you may have the best gaming experience possible, we've investigated and tested the best DDR4 RAM alternatives available. Any gamer may find something they enjoy with our huge capacity and lightning-fast speeds. Now let's get started and improve your gaming setup to win the tournament. Crucial RAM DDR5 4800 MHz CL40 Desktop Memory CT2K 32G48C40E5. Attention all tech enthusiasts. Get ready to witness the future of gaming performance with a crucial DDR5 4800 MHz CL40 Desktop Memory CT2K 32G48C40E5. This cutting-edge RAM is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level with its lightning-fast clock speed of 4800 MHz and a low CAS latency of 40. With this kind of power at your fingertips, you can enjoy seamless gameplay and lightning-fast load times. And that's not all, this DDR5 RAM is built to be future-proof, meaning it can handle even the most demanding games and applications for years to come. Whether you're a professional gamer or just an avid tech enthusiast, the crucial DDR5 4800 MHz CL40 Desktop Memory CT2K 32G40AC40E5 is the ultimate choice for unleashing the full potential of your system. Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz C16. Attention all tech-savvy gamers. Introducing the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz C16 Desktop Memory Kit in sleek black. This high-performance RAM kit is a gamer's dream, with a blazing fast clock speed of 3200 MHz and low CAS latency of 16, allowing you to experience unparalleled performance and speed. Plus, its sleek black design is guaranteed to add a touch of style to your gaming rig. And with a capacity of up to 64 GB, you'll have plenty of space to run multiple applications and games at the same time. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional, the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz C16 Desktop Memory Kit is the perfect upgrade to take your gaming experience to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your system and start dominating the competition. TeamStream ARGB 16GB DDR4 3600C14. The TeamStream ARGB 16GB DDR4 3600C14 is a great option for gamers who want a powerful and stylish RAM. With a high-speed clock rate of 3600 MHz and low CAS latency of 14, this RAM ensures your gaming applications run smoothly and without any lag. The ARGB lighting adds a touch of style to your gaming rig, making it stand out from the crowd. G-Skill Ripjaws V16GB DDR4 3600. Players on a tight budget, take note. We are all aware that playing video games may be a costly pastime, but don't worry, we have discovered a RAM solution that won't break the budget. The G-Skill Ripjaws V16GB DDR4 3600 is here. With a clock rate of 3600 MHz and a small CAS latency of 16, this memory is a genuine jewel. It's ideal for gamers who want to get every last bit of performance from their hardware without having to spend all of their hard-earned money. You won't feel the strain in your pocketbook while enjoying lightning-fast speeds and fluid games with this memory. What are you still holding out for? Improve your hardware and start conquering the gaming industry on a budget. Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 32GB DDR4 3200. The Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 32GB DDR4 3200 is a great option if you're seeking for top-tier memory. With a clock speed of 3200 MHz and a small CAS latency of 16, this memory is designed for gamers that need the greatest performance. Your gaming setup becomes a showpiece thanks to the RGB lighting, which adds a great visual component. G-Skill Trident Z Neo 32GB DDR4 3600. Another excellent alternative for gamers looking for a strong and effective memory is the G-Skill Trident Z Neo 32GB DDR4 3600. This memory is made to keep up with even the most demanding gaming programs because to its 3600 MHz clock rate and low cast latency of 16. G-Skill Trident Z Royal 16GB DDR4 4000. The G-Skill Trident Z Royal 16GB DDR4 4000 is a great option for individuals looking to push their machine to its utmost. This memory is designed for high-performance gaming with a clock speed of 4000 MHz and a low-cast latency of 18. Your gaming rig will stand out because to the Royal design, which adds a touch of luxury. TeamStream ARGB 16GB DDR4 3600C14 delivers a good blend of speed and aesthetics. The Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 32GB DDR4 3200 and G-Skill Trident Z Neo 32GB DDR4 3600 are excellent alternatives for gamers wishing to future-proof their computer because of their larger capacities and compatibility with the newest motherboards. Lastly, for gamers that value aesthetics and are ready to pay more for it, the G-Skill Trident Z Royal 16GB DDR4 4000 is the best option. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision and happy gaming.